Yo, so if you've been in this sneaker game for a little more than at least a day, you probably already know what's about to happen with these Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low Black Phantoms. Shot drop. And we're going to talk about in today's video. Let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. It's always greatly appreciated. And today, we're going to drop this little quick video talking about these Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Lows. You guys know Travis Scott took over the Air Jordan 1 silhouette with the backward swoosh. We got the mochas, reverse mocha lows, we got the fragment highs, all types of Travis Scotts, and I really do like a lot of those colorways, but unfortunately, you know what I'm saying, your boy has never hit a pair for retail. We're gonna try to change that here very shortly, man. If you guys new to the channel right now, I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. Videos like this is where I really try to help you guys out copping these pairs for retail, if not even get for retail, or just let you know what is going on with these sneakers. A lot of people don't even know what's about to happen, so I'm gonna put you guys on as best as I can today. So leave a huge like right now for your boy the Vintage Man. Hey man, real quick intermission. I can't go any further without putting you guys on. I just started a closet on Instagram, so make sure you guys go tap into it, the Vintage_closet. I'm gonna be selling a lot of shoes that I don't wear, that I don't want anymore, for a very reasonable price. It's gonna be a steal, I'm telling you guys. So if you reach out, you want to tap in, you want to get a pair, hit me up on Instagram at the Vintage_closet. I'm gonna link it down below. Make sure you guys go tap in right now because the shoes gonna go very fast. I'm giving out some steals, some deals. Make sure you tap in ASAP, man. You won't believe how much I'm selling the Air Jordan 11 cherries for. Make sure you guys go hit me up on Instagram right now, man. All right guys, so you seen it, you know what I'm saying, the Twitter broke out, Instagram broke out, the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scotts will be dropping tomorrow on the Nike sneakers app. So a couple days before we got this official date, the time and everything like that, they was talking about an exclusive access happening along with the shock drop. And I'm gonna let you guys know right now the shock drop first. Let's go ahead and get to the shock drop information first. On Travis Scott's website, sometime today, the Travis Scott 1 Low Phantoms will be shock dropping. If they don't do it today, they would do it after the release on the Nike sneakers app. They always do this. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen today. A lot of people talking about it on Twitter, a lot of people talk about it on Instagram. It only made sense for them to drop them the day before the Nike sneakers app. You know what I'm saying, create some buzz, create some traction for the sneaker, even though they're gonna sell out regardless. So that's something to look out for today. Shock drop on Travis Scott's website, not the Nike sneakers app, not Nike, Travis Scott's website itself. A lot of people said coming soon. Him himself, he put his pictures up on his IG story of the sneaker and that little beetle, whatever that is, on the back of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Phantoms, and they said coming soon, be ready, they about to happen. And they always do this with every single Travis guy, even the trainers. He posted something on his story and on his Twitter, on his Discord, and then a couple hours later they were dropping on Travis Scott's website. So you guys just stay tuned for that. It's nothing that's like crazy breaking news. I just want you guys to know that the shock drop for the Travis Scotts will happen. I say shock drop because they're not gonna let us know the exact time. They're not gonna put it out or anything like that. It's gonna be a little shock to us, and we gotta try our best to get a pair on Travis Scott's probably botted out website. So we're gonna see how that goes. And like I said earlier in the video, people was talking about exclusive access for the Black Phantoms. I can still see them doing this. I know they are releasing tomorrow, Wednesday, December the 15th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I do think they could be possibly doing like an exclusive access later on in the week, or doing that long anticipated Jordan Reserve that we still waiting for. Pretty sure we're probably gonna see some Travis Scotts on there and the Chicago Lost and Founds. Maybe I'm just reaching, but it would be dope for Jordan Man to do something like that. Throw a crazy Jordan Reserve in there for the banger in another year, man. And that is not the only two options for us to get. Like I said, we already talked about the shock drop on Travis Scott's website. We already talked about the initial release for Nike sneakers app tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's multiple raffles going on right now. I'm gonna link them all down below in the description box if you guys don't peep. But you got one from Exhibit, DSM, and S&J, I don't know what that is, and Kit app. So a lot of people are still doing raffles for the Travis Scott 1 Lows. I'm gonna link them all down below, and I'm gonna retweet them on my Twitter. So I always say, guys, man, follow me on Twitter so I can help you guys out, keep these pairs for retail. A lot of these spots that people have been entering raffles in, they don't usually hit, and a lot of people are starting to hit. So this might be a best bet to enter. You're not losing anything. Only thing you can do is get a W. So hopefully that does happen and plays in your favor, man. So go check out all the raffles, link down below. Like I said, man, you guys stay tuned by following me on Twitter. I'm pretty sure the shock drop happening today or tonight for the Travis Scott. So make sure you guys tap into my Twitter, because as soon as it go live, I'm retweeting that thing so you guys can tap in and get a pair of these Travis Scotts add them to the collection, because these joints is pretty clean, all black. You can't go wrong with it. Got some extra laces. I think they dope. Travis Scott never took he never messed with the ones, in my opinion. So you guys let me know how you feel about them down below in the comment section, man. So yeah, guys, quick rundown. I'm gonna say it one more time for y'all. Shock drop happening today or tomorrow for the Travis Scott 1 lows on Travis Scott's website. We got the initial release for Nike Sneakers app tomorrow, December 15th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you got a bunch of raffles going on right now on a bunch of different websites, retailers, link down below in the description box, and they're on my Twitter. So go tap into my Twitter ASAP, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys leave a huge like for your boy dropping these gems for you guys, and make sure you guys subscribe right now. We're trying to get to that 70K. Help your boy out. We on a race to that 70K, and we almost there, and it's greatly appreciate you guys tapping into all the videos. Again, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for tapping in. Thanks for watching another video from your boy The Vintage. Hopefully I help at least one or two of y'all out. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.